Okay, today we're going to go how to draw Godzilla shooting his atomic breath kind of at the sky. We haven't done that, so let's do it. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go pull a line kind of right there for kind of the upper part of his mouth. Line over here. Up right there, the bit there, and what I want to do is get his snout, the front of his snout over here. So up over here, down, right there, okay. And then his eye is going to be around this place, right? So hopefully you know where we're going. Pulling up over here, down. Curve over here, and what that is right there, it's kind of that skin area when an animal opens its mouth right there, where reptiles do. It's like this skin thing. Godzilla has it as well. And so we're gonna pull open right there, right? It's the other under part of his jaw. Down over here, back of the jaw there. Line down over here for Godzilla's throat. Kind of curve back there, kind of show a little bit of a tucking, a little bit like for the back of the skull, and then we're gonna go out. If you want Godzilla like worksheets, there are worksheets of Godzilla on the main site on sketchmonsterart.com. I haven't put them there yet, but I'm gonna put them soon. By the time this video comes out, it'll probably be out. But it'll teach you how to do it, and they're free. So go look at the link in the description. I'll try to put them there. The way for you to get them. Downward over here, and back over here. Line down. Curve over here. There's shoulder area. Line over there as well. So far, pretty simple stuff, I think. You know, hopefully you think as well. So let's go over here to the eye. So line out over here, right there. And it's almost like just a kind of a simple triangle right there. Over here now, the nose. Teeth right there. We're going to just draw simple triangular teeth. Right there on that side. Right there on that side. Alright. And let's start with, before we do the breath part, let's start with the spikes on his back. So I would draw maybe like, think of his spikes as little mountains. I've said that a lot. Think of his spikes as a series of like little mountains, or, you know, glaciers. You can think of it like that. That one's going to go off the page a little bit as it gets very large over there. Curve. And some...
Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings. Something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, you know, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it.
Smaller spikes over here. Let's go over here now. line into the cheek right there, very thin line. And sometimes you can do stuff right here, like very thin. Maybe like a line over here along, because it's kind of a change in texture right here. There's like a ridge. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Alrighty, and you can draw little scales by drawing little curvatures. So these little curvatures are shorthand, so you don't have to draw every single scale. Right? You're just gonna draw these little undercurves, little undercurve. A line right there for the ear. I forgot that part. Little undercurve. And you can do the same thing over here on the actual spikes on his back. You can draw maybe little thin lines, like showing ridges, like there's an actual thing going on. And then let's get to the breath itself, you know. Well, actually, if you want to, you can draw like a little bit of a thicker line underneath here to kind of show that, I don't know, it kind of grounds the figure sometimes if you do that. I'll go over here and let's do the atomic breath. Woo! Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle out, right? So it starts small and it wiggles out over here. It's kind of, I just kind of wiggle it out. You know, kind of looks a little snaky, to be honest. I kind of wish it was a little more straight. Yeah, I could draw like a thicker line here on this side and kind of maneuver it around, but it's not necessary. I'm just doing that because I'm being weird. And what we want now, this is a big part of it, okay? You want to draw the back of it. Some teeth in the back right there. See that? And then fill in the back part of the mouth. And then kind of the same thing on that other side over here. Line right there as well. And it makes it look a little bit 3D, just having that back part of the mouth. Makes it look like, you know, more advanced of a drawing, you know, and it's a real simple thing you can do. So I hope you enjoyed that. Relatively simple. Like I said, you can kind of keep adding little things to this on and off, but it's really up to you. So anyways, that's it. That's Godzilla shooting atomic breath. If you like that, hit that thumbs up. Stay around. Oh, you can also share the video if you can. That really helps me out and helps everyone else out. Kind of find it and helps the algorithm out. Stick around. We're going to do another drawing lesson together. Okay? I want you to stay right there. Let's do another drawing lesson together right now.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.